Hello dear students, I hope all of you well. Dear student, today we take a problem related to trigonometrics chapters. How you find, given here are trigonometric ratios value and then you find the other trigonometric value. How you find the other trigonometric value? This is the problem here at this time. If tan theta equal to 4 by 3, of question problem here given, if tan theta equal to 4 by 3, find the other T ratios, in trigonometric ratios of the angle theta. So now let us consider here a right triangle. ABC. Here angle we take here C, angle C equal to theta. Now according to angle C theta, we here derive perpendicular of the sides. AB here perpendicular and BC here base. I will discuss. I had discussed regarding previous lecture. So and its hypotenuse. So given tan theta equal to 4 by 3. That is means perpendicular by base here given AB by BC. So here implies that it means AB equal to 4 and BC equal to 3. This is count here that the by properties and definitions by trigonometric ratios and T ratios. So here AB is 4 unit and BC equal to 3 units. Now applying Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem we can find the AC here sides. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. All of you know how you apply the Pythagoras theorem. So sorry, yeah, equal to AB, this value put here, 4 square plus 3 square equal to 16, 4 4 there plus 3 3 is 9 equal to 25. Here find the AC equal to under root 25 equal to 5 unit. So you get here AC equal to 5 unit. Now hence sorry, hence we calculate other T ratios like sin theta. Sin theta equal to, we know that perpendicular by hypotenuse. Here AB is the perpendicular and AC is the hypotenuse. So equal to AB equal to 4 and AC equal to 5. So sin theta equal to 4 by 5 and cos theta equal to base by hypotenuse like that BC by AC equal to, here BC equal to 3 units and AC equal to 5 units. So get cos theta equal to 3 by 5. Now you get 3 trigonometric ratios, main trigonometric 3 ratios, tan theta, sin theta, cos theta. Also you find by properties of T ratios, otherwise using the trigonometric using the given figure other T ratios. Like see here, sin theta, we know that cosec theta equal to 1 upon sin theta, like 1 upon 4 by 5 equal to 5 by 4. So it is the cosec theta equal to 5, that is means AC by AB. Cosec theta equal to AC by AB. So you get 5 by 4. Similarly, sec theta equal to, we know that sec theta equal to 1 upon cos theta. So equal to 1 upon cos theta, we know 3 by 5 equal to 4 by 3. 4 by 3. So we can find the given figure. Also sec theta, the value of sec theta we can find by the figures. 4 by 3 like that AB, so 3 by 5, sorry, 3 by 5, so 5 by 3. So 5 is the value of AC upon BC. So by this we can get 5 by 3 and by this B can get 5 by 4. Also, according to figure, but it don't have figure, so by using these properties, also here we calculate sec the value and cosec values. Then you find sin theta and cos theta. Similarly, here write cot theta equal to, we know cot theta equal to 1 upon tan theta equal to 1 upon, we get tan theta 4 by 3 equal to 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 like that, 3 BC by AB. So it is the inverse proportion, 3 ratios, sin, tan, cos, 3 ratios. Also cosec, sec, cot is the proportion that given values. So here cot theta also we can find BC upon AB. So these values are other T ratios. Here 6 values T ratios. So I hope all of you understood how you find the T ratios when you get R ratios, value of the R ratio. When you get value of R ratio, by this problem I explained that how you find the by figure, and then next lecture I explained that how you find these values, other T ratios, by using the identities. So I will discuss next lecture other problems related to this topic. Then up to 30. Thanks all of you.